When we're dealing with slope, there's two very important rules regarding parallel and perpendicular lines. First off, parallel lines have the same tilt, therefore they have the same slope. So in parallel lines, slope equals slope. For perpendicular lines, they create a right angle. In this case, the slopes are inverse reciprocal, so slope times slope equals -1. That will give us perpendicular lines. The only exception to that rule is if you have a zero slope and a completely vertical, which would be undefined, and then of course horizontal and vertical lines also meet at a right angle. So we went here, first we have the line, we want the line that is parallel. So in this case, we want the slopes being equal, slope equals slope. And then perpendicular, we want slope times slope to equal -1. So we need to change this to y equals mx plus b. So we have x plus 2y equals 1. We're going to subtract x both sides. So I have 2y equals -x plus 1. I'm going to divide by 2. So our final equation is y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. From here, we can determine that our slope of our given line is -1/2. So for parallel, slope equals slope, it's going to be -1/2 and -1/2. For slope times slope, we're going to do -1/2 times what equals -1. And of course, what would go here would be +2. So the parallel slope is going to be -1/2. The perpendicular slope is going to be +2.